Here's how you start an LLC right now. Let's go. First thing you're going to do is go to bizee.com, bizee.com. Then you're going to come right here. You're going to pick your formation. You're going to pick your LLC, your entity. Then you're going to pick your state right here from the drop down menu. And you're going to click Start My Business. Now, you're going to come right here and it's going to have the basic, standard, and premium. The basic is going to take a little longer. It'll take 5 weeks with the basic. So now you can't get any of the extras right here. So my recommendation, go to standard, right? If you're trying to get this business up and running ASAP, let's go to standard, because now with standard is going to give you these other options. You want to expedited filing in 8 days instead of 5 weeks. Let's go with that. Boom. You hit that. We're going to hit get started next, right? Or you can go with the premium, but the standard is okay. Let's go. So now you're going to come here. We're going to put your company information. This is the information you want your business to be. So for you, you're going to open your business today, LLC. And then guess what you're going to do? Hit next. So now you're going to come here. You're going to put your contact information in, your first, your last name. You're going to put your street address in. We're getting started. Roll. Come on, let's go. Let's get this business open. Put your email, your phone number, and I want you to keep this click so you can receive SMS, text messages about your order. And then what we're going to do, we're going to click next. So then you're going to come here. How would you like to receive mail for your business? Now, they will say they'll give you a virtual office. I wouldn't recommend getting a virtual office with Busy because they don't have a whole lot of addresses they can give you. So my recommendation would be do a Google search in your area, get a virtual address with a company right there locally, right? Or the easiest way right now is to start with your own address from home or whatever. Then you're going to click this right here. That's your address that you're starting with. And just to let you know, whatever address you put on here, it will go to public records. So whether you want to use your home or virtual address, it's up to you, but let's go. Click next. So now you're going to come here. It's going to ask you how many members in your LLC. If there's one, click one. You're going to click here for the individual. Then you're going to highlight your name and the address right here. Scroll down, click next. Now you're going to come here. They're going to ask you about your resident agent. So what a lot of people don't know is you could be your own resident agent. So guess what we're going to select? I'll be my own resident agent. You're going to scroll down, individual. You're going to click on your name. You're going to click the address because you're going to be your own resident agent. You don't need to pay anybody for that. And then we're going to click next. Then you're going to come here, and I forgot to tell you in the beginning, so if you didn't know with the standard as well, they're going to get your EIN on your behalf too. So you'll come here, you're going to click no, as long as you're not a foreigner, you got a social security. You'll click your name because it's already pre-populated. Then you'll put your social in, scroll down again, and then you're going to click on this with your address, as long as this is a valid address that you put on here. Scroll down, hit next. Now you're going to come here. They're going to start asking you about opening up a business bank account and all that. What I usually tell my students is no thanks. I open up my own. Then you're going to come here. They're going to be saying, do you need a tax strategy? Free consultation. What we tell them is, I'm not interested at this time. We're trying to get this LLC open. Let's go. Hit next. Now, of course, Busy going to try to upsell you. They're going to do some research packages and things like that. But guess what? We don't need them doing any research. No thanks. I do the work myself. And we're going to click next. Then you're going to come to this page right here, which is the summary page. You're going to scroll down. Make sure everything is accurate. If it's not, you're going to edit it, right? Before you push this through, because you got to pay for it. So now we scroll down, we make sure everything is accurate, everything looks good. Guess what we're going to hit? Next. So then you're going to come to this page. Of course, you already know what this is. You got to put your money down now. So look, put your money where your mouth is. You want that business open? Go ahead and enter your credit card information right here. You're going to click on this little button right here. Complete and pay, and you got your LLC. So you already know what it is, the Home Care General. And if you need that business open,